Meditation is about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. You're not trying to become different, new, or better. You are trying to observe and understand your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Meditation allows you to be present, to be in the here and now, and fully engage with the present moment. Learning to meditate is like learning any other skill. Think of starting an activity you've never done before. It will take consistency and practice and commitment for you to get comfortable. And it's usually easier if you have guidance at the beginning. When you start practicing, you might lose your focus as your mind starts to wander, or you might forget to match your breath to the rhythm. And that's okay. It is a natural part of the journey. Just keep practicing and be patient and kind to yourself. Settle yourself down. Find the most comfortable position for you to enjoy this meditation. Take a releasing breath. Breathe in through your nose deeply and breathe out through your mouth, releasing all the air so you can be here in this moment, in this beautiful moment. Allow your palms to be open and up so you can be open. Allow your feet to fall out. Really quietly scan down your body and just check. Have a sense of inquiry around any tension in your body. The most important thing is to breathe in through your body. Breathe out any tension. And then see the tension fade away. So as you take your next out breath, really allow yourself to be here in this room with this incredible music and with yourself, just breathing. So come into your natural breath, following the rise and fall of your breath. Maybe noticing if there is sound with your breath. And just use your out breath to make your body heavy. And just notice where your mind is right now, remembering it's a natural function of the mind that we constantly keep producing thoughts. So when you find your mind wandering off into the world of thoughts, just bring yourself back into this present moment with your body breathing in this room, with this music, and with yourself being present. And let's see if we can take the breath into our heart's pace as we become more present with ourselves, letting go of any expectations that we might have, and let us exchange expectations into appreciation. When we use that sense of appreciation, our life becomes richer. We see things more clearly, more clarity, more love, more joy, more peace. We see, we feel, We experience more when we come from appreciation. So match your breathing to your heart's pace and let it go right through your whole body. In this state, deeply relaxed, start to move your body, your fingers, toes, stretch long, and when you are ready, open your eyes, breathing relaxed, renewed, and refreshed, with a deep sense of appreciation. We have a lot to appreciate. Take one last breath, deep breath in and slow breath out.